Hello and thanks for joining us. Tonight, Macon-Bibb County reporting a significant drop in homicides. The number is at its lowest for the first time in July over the past 5 years.
They're attributing part of the decline to the work of Macon's Violence Prevention program. Maggie Fitzgerald takes us inside one of the county's latest efforts to promote mental health and reduce violent crime.
The county's Macon Violence Prevention program and Macon Mental Health Matters are teaming up to put mental health awareness at the forefront of crime prevention tactics for men. Once a month at Churchill's on Cherry, Guys Night looks a little different.
Oftentimes, there's not that place that exists in communities.
Macon Violence Prevention Program Coordinator Jeremy Grissom says he saw a need to create a safe space to help men express what they're going through.
We started in November. November of last year, and we gave men a safe place to go.
Jonathan Barton has found comfort in attending the meetup since November. His message? Give it a try.
Macon Mental Health has free therapy for Macon Middle Georgia, so I would tell anyone to take advantage of that.
Men's Mental Health Meetups is just one of the program's latest approaches to break the stigma around men's mental health in Macon.
This is a shared partnered event with Macon Mental Health Matters, so we also give the participants the understanding that they can have access to free mental health services. And you never know how much that can do for a person. While
the events help men take a break from the daily routine and to reflect and exchange advice, Grissom also says there is sometimes a direct link to conflict resolution and promoting safer communities.
You never know their situation, whether they're dealing with depression or whether they're suicidal or whether they're just angry, downright angry. You know, some of those things can mitigate crimes that we see, whether it be domestic violence or conflict resolution, the failure to just talk about what you're experiencing.
With this series coming to a close, Grissom sees how it's made an impact so far.
I think it's changed the community in whole. Like, I think that there's hope that wasn't there before. I think that there's a feeling of a turn in violent crime and public safety.
And tonight's meetup marked the last one of this pilot series, but Grissom says that another series of meetups will be announced at a later date. In Macon, Maggie Fitzgerald, 13 WMAZ News.
As of July 23rd, the number of homicides is lower than last year's number at this time. Back in February, Mayor Miller emphasized the progress they've made in reducing violent crime with the Violence Prevention Program. County leaders also announced they accepted an award from the Georgia Municipal Association for their anti-violence efforts. The Macon Violence Prevention Program launched in 2021 and also puts money into public safety, including initiatives to boost law enforcement pay.